Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to break down Atlassian Intelligence in Jira and shed some light on what it is and how you can use it effectively. By the end of this video, you'll discover how this fantastic integration can supercharge your workflow, automate your tasks, and simplify your data analysis like never before. So let's dive right in, shall we? Atlassian Intelligence brings powerful AI capabilities right into your Jira cloud. It's an advanced feature available for premium and enterprise plans designed to make your life easier by injecting a degree of automation into your day-to-day tasks. So what does that look like, you ask? Well, imagine having your own personal AI assistant, one that can generate, edit content, summarize complex information, and simplify your data analysis for you. That's Atlassian Intelligence in a nutshell. Its unique blend of features, content generation and editing, summaries, natural language search, AI work breakdown, and automation rule creation makes it stand out. Now let's explore how this all comes together. One of the most intriguing features is content generation and editing. This capability employs a combination of Atlassian's inbuilt models, OpenAI technology, and coalesced organizational data. This potent combination allows the system to automatically create content or suggest edits based on these inputs. Basically, it's like having an AI writer on your team. A core function of Atlassian Intelligence is its summary capability. Now, we've all been through long meetings and discussions, right? This feature can help you make sense of it all. It's designed to condense lengthier content into more manageable, digestible bites of information without losing key insights. So if you dread going through tons of meeting minutes or reports, then this is a great feature for you. Atlassian Intelligence also boasts a natural language search function. Picture this. Instead of trawling through your database using complex search parameters, you simply ask your queries in plain English, just like you would in a casual conversation. This function interprets and manages your input to help you find exactly what you need, making your searching endeavor an absolute breeze. The AI work breakdown is another attractive feature, which is especially useful for project management. By understanding the complexities of a project, it can help break down tasks, leading to easier project management, and eventually, smoother project execution. Last, but definitely not least, we have automation rule creation. With this facet, you can design smart rules that trigger automated actions, whether it's assigning new tasks, changing statuses, or sending notifications. It's like creating your very own AI butler, handling all those repetitive tasks for you. Now, this is just a snapshot of what Atlassian Intelligence can do for you. For a deeper dive, we recommend visiting Atlassian's official website to get the full details. And there you have it, folks. With Atlassian Intelligence in Jira, you can unlock productivity like you've never experienced before. If this has sparked your interest and you want to learn more about using Jira and other tools more effectively, then why not stick around? Hit that like button if you found this video useful. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.